What's up? My voice just cracked. What's up, guys? So today, I'm pretty bored. I got the Sawzall and the V8. And today, I'm gonna make my quiet V8 a little louder. Literally, all I'm gonna do is just cut the muffler off and let's just go from there. If that's not loud enough, I'll cut off the resonator too. So, let's get cracking. Okay, so I have the car jacked up. Let's get under there and see what we're looking at. I never realized that the muffler in this thing is literally in the middle of the car. So I'm gonna cut right there, and all this is coming down. All right, 4 cuts later, and a lot of rust. She's out. Let's see what it sounds like. Actually, let's clean up, and then let's see what it sounds like. All right, guys. For some reason, the video cut off the revving, but I'll give you guys a nice sound clip right here. You can go ahead and start it, Bree. All right, let's get a nice clip. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. What was that?